Hi guys, what's up? This is Coach Johnson Shua, and yeah, so number one is welcome to our summer vacation. Okay, yeah, so thank you sa mga pagsubaybay nyo rin po dito sa ating sa YouTube. Okay, so I'm very sorry no na hindi tayo nakapagawa rin ng main session from the last month, although for now is medyo inaano ko na yung para for the June, okay, 2025. Okay, and this one is a very inisip ko nga kasi no, because of syempre bukod sa topic lang natin for the 12 zodiac sign, kumusta ba tayo for this June, okay, 2025. And then also para sa bawat zodiac sign, and also ano ba meron stores in our energy for this year, okay, and especially for this June 2025, which is sabi ko nga tama-tama pwede ako mag-shoot dito konti, no? Ayan, makikita mo marami mga like water, pool, mga ganito, okay, because of may kinalaman to ngayon sa energy of water. Okay, so number one is we need also to enhance, okay, the energy of the water. Okay, pag panahon ng buwan ng June, okay, or May pa lang, no? May and June pa lang, especially dito sa atin sa sa Pinas, okay, kasi mainit po yung place natin. Okay, so water is a very important energy, important element or important source na pwede natin ma-apply for the month of June. Okay, so the number 7 stars, no, yun po yung ruling star or flying star para sa atin dito sa panahon ng itong June na to. Okay, at para yun yung para paano natin ko-control itong number 7. Okay, so number 7 star is also known as a violent star or a robbery star. So alam natin this is not so much good. Okay, there's a lot of like maybe problems, distraction, lack of focus, like that. Okay, so yun, no, ayan, say hi, say hi. Yan, naglalaro po yung anak ko si Janjan. Okay, go. Yan, alright. Okay, so this is the water. Okay, water is one of the important energy. Okay, so although syempre kung kaya nyo po magbakasyon or swimming, that's good also kasi nakakadagdag din po siya ng parang kalma sa katawan ng energy ng tao, especially sa mga people na medyo nagkakaroon din ng problem in terms of health, no? Like yung mga hypertension, anxiety, worry, problems. Because number 7 star is a metal star na minsan medyo nadi-disrupt niya yung energy of food, which is sometimes nakakapag-cause siya ng mga problem of anxiety and worry. And also minsan nakakatama rin po siya sa mga people na medyo may mga hypertension, okay, or minsan lack of sleep. Kaya it's a good time din na time to time po mag-vacation din po kayo. And before I also continue, I would like also to give my thanks, no, dito sa atin na one of the famous city, okay, in Philippines, Cebu City. Okay, so thank you. I'm here. Yan, sa J Park Hotel. Right, no, so super thank you po, no, at medyo na-enjoy din po ng family ko po ang vacation namin here, and also galing nga kami sa Ocean Park, so puro water. Yeah, no, Papa is doing live. Papa is doing live, say hi. Alright, okay, Papa sa record din siya. Alright, okay. So we're gonna be finished also dun sa part na dun sa water, no? So water elements not only para dun sa water like pool, okay. Kung meron kayong mga pool then that's good also, medyo relax lang. And also water intake, no? Very important din. Kaya mas lalo na panahon ng tag-init ngayon, kailangan din po natin medyo hydrated po tayo. So be sure that always drink your water. Okay, that also one way o para makalma natin yung energy natin. You know, sometimes kasi when you talk about malas or bad luck, no, it's not always about malas talaga eh. Sometimes maybe because of yan. Example, too much of heat, lack of water, what happened? Okay, mas na summertime ngayon, okay, happen is pwedeng nade-drain yung energy mo, okay, medyo mabilis uminit yung ulo mo, kaya yung decision factor nyo nagiging impulsive and tactless also. Okay, so hindi natin pwede sisihin yung mga scenario and situation na sometimes element problem lang pala or balance lang pala yung kailangan natin. Okay, and water again is one of the good source. Okay, kaya ayun, pwede kayong drink more water. Okay, water like ganito lang, oh, yung sounds of water. Okay, pwede nyo pong i-download yan, diba? Just listen to the sounds of water, yung mga water meditation. Or also another thing is the blue color. Yan, so you can also use the blue color. Pwede kayo mag-blue na damit or may mga blue kayo sa mga paligid nyo. That also enhances or control also para to boost yung element din po natin. Okay, so yun po yung one way para to control the number 7 star. You know, number 7 star is not totally bad luck, no? Although marami po tayo nababasa, 7 star ruling star can cause maraming conflict problems, okay, lack of focus and lack of concentration, and partly yung pinakainingatan natin is also accident, because number 7 is a metal accident. It can also cause yung mga travel accidents. Pero kapag medyo chillax lang, yun po yung akin request sa family ko na when we do things, we need to chillax. Okay, kapag talagang travel and vacation, let's set aside natin yung work. Okay, so as much as possible, pag hinahalo-halo kasi natin yan, medyo there's a tendency na pwede mawala yung focus natin, then it can also cause mga bad luck problems. Okay, Kaya yun po, dapat medyo balance and control po natin. Okay? Then mamaya po, pag-uusapan din po natin yung 12 zodiac sign. Iisa-isahin din po natin yan. Mamaya siguro pagbalik ko po sa hotel. Okay? Before I cut on this my first scene, okay? One thing also na kailangan natin tandaan, no, sa number 7 star, okay, 7 star is also good for like communication, luck, or sales like that, because 7 is the element of the mouth, okay, or the energy of the mouth, okay. So we need to improve din in this month na kailangan medyo matutunan din po natin i-express ng maayos yung sarili natin. So kung may mga important kayo o may mga problem kayo that you want also para medyo magkaroon na ng linaw, okay, magkaroon na ng closure, okay, not only in terms of relationship but also transactions, okay. This month maybe it's the right month because you know June month is one of the good thing about June month, no, ang gusto ko lang dyan kasi horse energy kasi ang June medyo may kinalaman kasi siya sa expression and passion, okay. So this is the right timing para to take execution, okay. So I hope na ma-maximize nyo po yung June energy nyo po, okay. We have 1 month para to maximize all the luck that we need, okay, para for this year 2025, right. So see you later. Guys, what's up? Yeah, this is Coach Johnson Chua again, and now pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung 12 zodiac sign, okay? Pero before that, okay, meron lang ako idadagdag doon sa sinabi ko kanina. So we're talking about this number 7 star, right? Okay, so we're saying that this is as number 7. Marami nagsasabi na hindi daw siya maganda. It's because of the robbery star, because of the violence star. But you know, one good thing lang naman kasi is with the special combination of this month, okay? This year kasi is the number 2 stars on the center, and then the number 7 comes within, okay, this June 2025, okay? So that's a combination of HO2. So that means may HO2 combination tayong pwede rin ma-expect for the month of June, which is, alam mo po, kapag every time when the HO2 comes in, okay, that means din may mga magagandang support din siya sa energy in terms of like mga closing deal, transactions, okay? So maybe there are, ibig sabihin, ito rin yung mga panahon na may mga turning point, no? Especially kapag nasa economy, medyo maybe may mga konting improvement na mga pwede mangyari, okay? So yun yung medyo gusto lang natin makita. Although, syempre, alam natin may mga countries na medyo okay, may mga countries na hindi okay, kasi it's a worldwide thing, no? So you cannot totally describe lang pag sinabi mo economy is good, lahat na, buo na, no? It always depends, no? Kaya minsan may dependence sa mga directions, like maybe mas more swerte ba ang west side ngayon, mas more may improvement ba sa northeast side ngayon, so mga ganon. So we need to be double check on that part, no? Para makita natin kung anong mga country din yung medyo part din nag-i-improve, okay? But for as an overall general lookage, okay, so at least alam na natin 2 and 7 combination is good, okay, so pwede natin sabihin na paano may HO2 tayo ngayon. So for those of you na medyo mas more gusto natin ma-maximize yung itong month na makapag-close ang deals or ma-push yung mga transaction na ginagawa natin, this month can be a good month also. But once, sabi nga natin kanina, water can be one of the lucky element. Originally, there's another element kasi na pwede rin gamitin against sa number 7, which is a wood element. But the problem kasi the number 2 stars on the center, so hindi ko masyado ginagamit yung wood, no? Kasi it might hurt the energy of the number 2, which is an earth element, okay? Para iwas lang yung mga away or gulo. So water is the best, no? Kaya mga blue color, then also keep hydrated as much as possible. Medyo ingatan yung hypertension, over anxiety, tsaka yung stomach po natin. Okay? So, now pag-usapan natin yung the 12 zodiac sign, okay? Although yung mga charms, okay, ipopost ko naman po siya sa ating Facebook, so you can double check kung ano mga charms yung babagay na pwedeng gamitin ng bawat isang animal zodiac sign, okay? So, nandun po, ipopost po natin si Hello June 2025 sa ating Facebook po para to check on that part. Okay? So, ngayon, isa-isahin po natin siya. So, para sa mga Year of the Rat, okay? So, unahin natin ang Year of the Rat. For this year kasi, okay, si Rat kasi, tayo mismo yung may hawak ng number 7 star na lumipad din sa number 7 ng center. And then this month, meron tayong number 3 star na papasok on the June. Okay, so, partly, meron mga part na good tayong pwede maramdaman, but medyo mas marami tayong precaution for this month, okay? Number 1, one good thing lang, the 7 and the 3 kasi combination, there's what you call sum of 10, okay? So, kung nasa sales ka, network, connection, okay, this month can be a good month para sa'yo kapag Year of the Rat ka. But partly, some of the challenge on it, okay, because at 7 and 3, pareho kasi silang medyo hindi ganun kagandang star, pareho silang medyo nagkakos ng mga legal actions or mga conflict problems or mga hindi pag-unawa, okay, kaya this month we need to be very careful, mas lalo ng mga Year of the Rat. June month is a horse month, so kalaban po natin yung buwan nga, itong buwan na to, so we need to be more careful, no? Dapat huwag tayo masyadong papadala sa init ng ulo, sa emosyon natin, okay, at saka medyo ingatan lang po natin yung mga words na lumalabas sa bibig po natin, so huwag tayo masyadong maging aggressive. Okay? And then secondly, para naman sa mga year of the meron tayong number 1 star, okay, para sa mga year of the ox and year of the tiger. The number 1 star is a victory star or success star minsan, no, sa mga ibang definition, but number 1 star is a water star. So for me, it is an opportunity star, a star of learning, a star of like maybe improving, no, sa mga ideas, okay, or strategy. But yun nga lang, because this year is may number 5 yellow star doon. Yes, you can learn. It is a month of learning. It is a month of maybe gathering new information, but not the right month para to do execution. We need to be careful pa rin po. Ayaw po masyado nating masyado magiging parang how we call it, impulsive or tactless. Okay? Yan, no? For the tiger, kahit paano kasi ay kaibigan naman niya ang month of June. Okay? Kaibigan niya ang horse. So maybe mga network and support makakatulong sa kanya. But para sa mga year of the ox, this month should not be a impulsive month. Especially emotions nyo po, kailangan nyo bantayan. Tandaan nyo po, ang number 1 star, sometimes nagkakos kasi yan ng mga unstable sa emotion, distraction, and lack of focus. Okay? Kaya we need to be very careful lang din. But it is a good star kapag kayo po yung medyo naghahanap ng mga something new, learnings. Okay? Maybe this is the right month para pwede kang pumasok sa mga extracurricular or extra vocational mga learning. Okay? Or or gathering some information with your friends or network. Okay? Then you can also use this. Okay? And then also another thing naman is para sa atin sa mga year of the rabbit. Okay? This month we need to be more careful kasi may number 5 star ang rabbit ngayon. Okay? Kaya medyo kailangan po natin maging maingat in terms of like sa mga misfortune or obstacles, especially ang number 5 nagkukos kasi yan ng mga money losses, no? And because of the number 9 star is on the center, so the number 5 become much more stronger. Kaya we need to be more careful sa health, especially, okay? Tsaka not the right man para to take yung mga high-risk transaction, high-risk mga pagtiwala sa tao, mga ganyan. So medyo ingat muna tayo sa mga money loss problem, okay? Yeah, pero sabihin natin in terms of like sa health yun, medyo dapat bantayan lang po natin. Be sure na yung mga dati yung pong problem or sakit, no? Kailangan medyo bantayan nyo po. Wag ko yung kumbaga pa parang mas more maging health conscious po tayo. Mas lalo na panahon ng tong June, the fire energy become too strong, okay? Sometimes it can be a problem in terms of like sa lungs natin, okay? At saka wood element kasi mga rabbit kaya minsan nagkakos siya ng worry, anxiety na pwede mag-cause din or mag-trigger ng mga sakit nyo dati, okay? Kaya we need to be very careful, okay? And then, para naman sa mga year of the dragon, because you have the number 6 star this month, okay? The number 6 star is what we call the execution star. So, it's a very good star. Power and authority, maganda rin po yan. So, kung kayo po yung naghahangad po for career success, promotion, or maybe career advancement, may mga ilang things na pwede pumasok this month. Although, kapag nagkaroon ka na advancement or promotion, medyo timbangin mo lang. Pero, for me kasi, much more play safe ang style ko. So, maybe, much more titingnan ko muna yung internal bago yung external. Okay? Mas lalo na ang number 6 is much more about the power, the foundation. So, much more stronger siya pag nakistay put tayo. Okay? And then, there's a special Hoto combination para sa mga dragon and snake because the number 1 star connects with the number 6. Kaya medyo malakas din po yung energy po natin on that part. Okay? The number 6 and the number 1 can also enhances Hoto, closing deals, good transaction, network and connection. Pero ang pinakagusto ko dito, mentor luck. This is the right month para to find mga good mentors, helpful people, especially sa mga year of the dragon, it can help you. But snake also has this power kasi because of the number 6 star goes with the snake and the dragon. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung mga ilang things magaganda para sa inyo. And then, para naman sa mga year of the horse, because you have the numbers 2 star this month. So, the number 2 has something to do with sickness or illness. So, we need to be more careful sa health po natin. Mas lalo na may number 6 star tayo for this year. Headaches, mga sa lungs related. So, medyo careful po tayo. Tsaka mga eyes related, no? And then, partly sa gastro naman, wag lang tayo masyado maging kasi may chances of constipation or medyo hindi maganda pagtunaw ng tiyan. Okay, so kaya kailangan medyo ingatan po natin, no? Eat more fiber. Ito, maganda sa bakasyon man in a way, pero syempre kailangan maging health conscious pa rin po, no? O nga pala, before I go with the next 6 animal signs, so quick tour lang. Okay, nasaan po ako? I'm here in the J Park Hotel. So nasa po kami ngayon, nasa special team ng aming room. Yan, you can see. This is our hotel. Yung Pororo team. Yan. So, napakaganda lang kasi meron siyang kitchen area. Yan. So, meron siyang kitchen area. Meron siyang palaruan talaga para sa baby, bata. Meron siyang touchscreen, something like a game, and then inside there's a room, and that's where our bedroom is. May walk-in, tapos then meron ding malaking CR sa loob na may kasamang bathtub and shower, okay? And then syempre pinaka-most best experience, sabi ganun, most best talaga, no? Pero sa Japan experience is yung CR, yung toilet bowl, okay, yung electronic bidet or something. Ewan ko, medyo na-addict yata ako sa Japan. Okay, so these are just of the some of the things, no? At medyo nag-enjoy po kami here, but this our also the last day na pabalik na rin po kami ng Manila. Yeah, so very sorry, no, para sa aking mga followers or mga clients na taga Cebu at hindi po ako post pag nandito po ako kasi baka po kasi wala din po akong time para to meet you guys if ever lang kasi much more I given my time here now is much with the family, so I've been more focused on the bantay sarado sa mga bata. Kaya yun po, takbo-takbo dito, ganun po siya. But sabi ko nga, I'm taking this chance para makagawa rin ako ng aking trabaho, okay, to impart yung Hello June 2025, okay, here, dito sa Pororo, or dito sa J Park Hotel po. Okay, so let's go to the next 6 animal signs, okay? So, sa next naman is the year of the sheep, okay? Sa year of the sheep, medyo maganda rin po yung energy natin ngayon, okay? Because there's a combination of the number 4 star and the number 8. The number 4 kasi can enhance more of like yung mga network and connection. Maganda rin yan sa mga sheep and mga monkey, okay? Kapag naghahangad po kayo ng good relationship, network, outsourcing, okay? Especially sa mga year of the sheep, kasi kaibigan ng sheep ang horse, eh. So, that means po, medyo special combination ka for the month of June. That means maraming mga network or connection pwede lumapit sa'yo, but also be careful na mamaya makasabay din dyan pati mga people, mga user, abuser, okay? Kaya kailangan mag-iwangat po tayo, huwag tayo mabilis magtiwala. Tandaan nyo po, snake year pa rin po tayo this year, marami pa rin po mga like scammers or cheaters, so we need to be very careful lang, okay? Same with the monkey. Alam mo kasi ang sheep and monkey medyo may similarity sila pagdating sa emotions. They treat everyone, they're very friendly, they treat everyone like a family na sometimes nawawala po yung barrier, kaya kayo po yung minsan nabibiktima po ng mga taong manggagamit, okay? Pero syempre, as the saying goes, wala po manggagamit kung wala po magpapagamit, okay? Kaya kailangan po proteksyonan nyo pa rin po yung sarili nyo po, okay? That's why may mga special mga mga amulet recommendation po, kung you can double check on that part, or especially where your power bracelet. Kaya ako kahit saan ako pumunta, even sa mga tour namin, lagi ko pong suot to. It's an extra protection for me, especially my pouch, yung red pouch ko, nasa bag ko yan parati. Kahit saan ako pumunta. Siyempre nadala na po tayo sa mga accidents, okay? Yan po, nag-iingat po tayo, okay? Kaya dala-dala ko po yung parati. The combination of power bracelet and also the red pouch. Kahit na tumunog yan sa mga airport or what, okay lang. Tignan mo, lucky charm lang naman. Wala kayong maano dyan. Okay? Importante, dala-dala ko. May protection ako. Yan, no? Kasi mahirap na po, no? Mahirap na. At least meron tayong protection. Kampante po tayo. Masalan kasama natin mga bata. Okay? Yan. And the next is on the year of the rooster. The rooster also has a special HOTU combination because the number 9 star will fly into the mga rooster. Okay? So, the number 9, we know that this is a magnifying power. Okay? Meron extra prosperity. Ang pinakagusto ko sa number 9, recognition power. Kaya kung kayo po mga year of the rooster na sa marketing, okay, or maybe sales, or maybe promotion, no? Meron kayong mga pinopromote na certain product or service, this month can be a very good month para sa inyo. Okay, with the combination of the number 4 this year, okay, then you get a special HOTU combination also. So that means malakas yung closing deal power, okay, malakas yung ating transaction, but be sure you have the power bracelet, kasi you know, ang rooster kasi this year, maganda ang opportunity luck, you're number 1 sa animal sign, but yun nga lang po kasi sometimes yung stability po kasi natin, yung emotion, like nung before I come here in Cebu, like maybe I think 4 days ago or 5 days ago, like that, may nag-visit sa akin ng isang client ko rin, Year of the Rooster, na sabi nga niya, Coach, napanood ko po kasi yung FB nyo, no, doon sa FB live nyo, and you're saying that this year is Year of the Rooster is one of the lucky animal sign, the number 1 animal sign ko tutusin, but pero bakit daw hindi niya nararamdaman for this year? Okay? So, tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, okay, paano mong i-define, no? Paano mo i-define na hindi mo nararamdaman? So, hindi niya masyado nakikita yung result, in a way. Okay? So, may point naman siya. Pero ang tanong ko, marami bang opportunity dumating? Marami. Sagot niya agad, marami. So, that means, yung energy ng taon, nagparamdam na sa'yo. Pero bakit hindi mo nako-close? Then maybe you lack the power. Maybe because of your emotion is not that stable. Maybe your clarity, okay, is also causing the problem. Or another thing, maybe may kaaway ka sa loob or medyo nagkakaroon ng alitan or problems na pwede ka napapag-initan. So this is a very personal intention problem, and this is not so sa mga forecasting. Kasi wala naman sa forecasting na nakasulat na makakaaway mo si boss mo ngayon, di ba? Not that literal or very specific. Yes, pwede natin sabihin na may conflict ka for this year, okay? But that doesn't really mean na dapat si boss mo talagang kaaway mo. Walang ganun eh. Okay, so marami siyang mga naging cause of the problems na which is yun yung nagiging hadlang niya. Kaya nung tinanong ko sa kanya, okay, nasa May na po tayo, okay, because of last 5 months, no? I love last mga 5 days or maybe last week kung ganun, no? So nasa around May month, no? So sabi ko, ato bang May na to, meron ka bang like, meron ka bang mga charms? Anything for the year? So wala pa po, hindi pa siya pala nakakuha ng power bracelet at ng set pouch. So medyo nagka-delay na, natapusan na ang Chinese New Year. And ang problema, ang last month kasi ng Year of the Roosters, the number 1, no? So the number 1 kasi sometimes the problem with that is yung unstable of the emotions. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng mga parang maraming mga challenges in a way. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, mas maganda may protection ka. And so far naman yun, may suit siyang charm. So ngayon, inantay ko lang yung possible back result niya sa akin na kung kamusta na po, kung nag-improve na ba. Tapos binigyan din natin siya sa reading para maintindihan niya kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin para for this year also. Okay? Kaya medyo maganda rin po na pwede rin kayo magpa-life reading or buzzy reading para updated din po kayo kamusta ba kayo for the year and what are the things you need to do. Okay? So remember that. Now, para naman sa last of the year of the dog and also year of the pig, no? So para sa year of the dog and year of the pig, you get the lucky star, the number 8 star. Even though sabihin natin, ay wala na, hindi na swerte ang 8 kasi period 9 na. Still, in the period 9, maganda pa rin ang trabaho ng 8. 8 pa rin nakakatulong siya for as money luck, result-oriented pa rin yung energy ng number 8. Although hindi lang siya stable sa cash flow, but still, maganda siya maging productivity. And tama-tama, may number 3 star ang dog and pig this month. Okay, so the number 3 combines also with the number 8 forming Ho2 number din. So that means yung mga inaantay nyo na tetenga, chances itong buwan na to pwedeng gumalaw. Okay? Kaya especially sa mga year of the pig, kasi year of the pig kasi conflict ng snake for the year. But this month kasi ito yung medyo maganda sa inyo, so it can help para medyo mag-push through yung mga inaantay nyo or mag-push through yung mga problema ninyo para matapos na siya in a way. Okay? Kaya yung number 8 is also enhances, no? Kaya maganda rin pag maybe kung mahilig ka sa mga red or orange, mga year of the dog, year of the pig, maybe you can also wear that, no? That can also enhances the good energy for that. Mga sa babae, mga pink color, you can also use that. Okay? Although I'm not saying na mga lalaki bawal mag-pink ka. Kanina nga lang, di ba, naka-pink hat ako ng Ocean Park. Okay? So yes, you can also wear that if you want. Kasi this mga fire color. Pink, orange, red, okay, tapos purple, yan, mga yan, no? But si dog and pig, but this month color is a blue color, which is good para for everyone because we want to enhance the lucky color or the water energy, okay? Kaya nga for the month of June, or kung makikita nyo po yung na-recommend ko po yung para sa center na pwede po natin ilagay para sa house po natin, yun po meron na tayong nilagay din po na parang anti-burglary sa ilalim po niya para to protect yung wealth po natin, to protect tayo against mga people with negative intentions or inggit, and also to protect also sa mga robbers or cheaters kasi yun nga yung problema rin ng number 7 star. Okay? So, these are the things na at least alam niyo po sa 12 zodiac sign na kailangan natin malaman. Okay? Then, lastly, also sa mga lucky directions na gusto niyo pong i-boost. Okay? We have 3 lucky good direction this month. Number 1 is gusto ko po yung energy ng West. Okay? So, kung marami kayo mga like, you want to boost fame, recognition, this is the right month also to boost it para to gain more network and good resources. And then the other month is, other direction is the Northwest sector. Okay, Northwest sector has a special combination in terms of cash flow and good transaction. And then the other one is on the Southeast sector, which is pag gusto mo mag-boost ng mga network, mentor, helpful people, good backer, or sakto meron tayong mga nililigawan, mga ilang mga big shots na gusto natin medyo mapasok tayo sa circle or makuha natin yung kanilang support sa power po. Okay? So, these are the mga lucky directions that you can also apply. Okay? Then, right. So far naman, if you want to know more about what to do and how to prevent the problems, okay, so you can also use some like charms and cures. Okay, so meron tayong mga ilang recommendation ng mga amulets na ipopost po natin siya dito po sa atin sa Facebook. You can follow me in my Facebook page saka Instagram page, Feng Shui Sunrise by Coach Johnson Chua. So pinopost ko po yan every month. Okay, meron po tayong mga lucky amulets that you can use para sa bawat animal sign. Okay, and it's very cheap, no? It's only 580 lang po each. Then meron tayong pang center na sa 3.8, yung po yung pwede nyo po ilagay sa center po ng house nyo po for this month. Okay, especially nakaka-boost kasi siya for protection, boost ng good network and connection, and also partly para for smooth sailing. Okay, so yun po, pwede nyo pong i-follow yun. Alright, and then right, so yun naman po lahat. Okay, so thank you guys. Okay, so sa pagsubaybay nyo po ulit sa aking mini time vacation na meron po tayong live para po dito sa ating Hello June 2025 Year of the Wooden Snake. Okay, so I hope at medyo nagustuhan nyo po ang ating small presentation para sa inyong lahat. At kung meron po kayo hindi po na-gets na sa mga zodiac sign, balikan nyo lang po tong video natin dito po sa YouTube channel ko po, Coach Johnson Chua. And also if you want to learn more about sa mga iba pong mga video, okay, sabi ko nga po, much more of a educator ako than the vlogger. So bear with me kung medyo mahaba po yung time kasi I want to explain it properly, nicely, na maging maayos po talaga yan para sa ating lahat. Okay, and then also please follow me in my other social media account. Okay, we have like the Facebook and Instagram, Feng Shui Sunrise by Coach Johnson Chua. And also kung may time din kayo, try to visit us in the oldest Chinatown in the world. Okay, sa Binondo Ongpin. Makikita niyo po yung location po ng store ko. Doon lang po ako sa 803 Salazar Street, corner Ongpin, Binondo, Manila. Or try to find lang Sunrise General Merchandise. Okay, marami na po naglalakad doon, mga food walk. Okay, mga mahilig kumain. Okay, so yun po, katabi lang po ako ng may mga barbecue. Okay, vegetarian barbecue, Veggie Select. Yun lang po, may kita nyo po ako doon. So you can also go to other places. Marami pong mga masasarap na kainan ngayon sa Binondo Ongpin. Okay, so kung mahilig kayo sa mga noodles, nandiyan yung mga Mazuki. Okay, Lingnam kasi medyo kalat na rin niya. May kita nyo naman sa mga different mall, but Mazuki kasi is one of the best and one of my childhood favorite. Okay, at tatay ko pa po yung nagdala sa akin yan. Naabutan pa yata niya, parang 10 piso lang isang bowl. Okay, ngayon mga sa 200 plus na, pero luckily even my kids love it, no, yung noodles ng Mazuki, ganun, like yan. Thank you Ate Willen. Yeah, so far mas more paborito nila yan. Okay, and then also you can go visit din kung may kayo mag-Gloria. Okay, you can go to like Lailay, okay, seafood, Lailay Seafood located on Chinatown Lailay Hotel. Yan, so you can try yung mga different noodles nila dyan. Okay, pinaka the best na natikman ko na lately, dati paborito ko dun lomi. Okay, lately, kinakain ko rin yung hofan, seafood hofan. Bawal kasi ako mag-beef eh. So, but you can also try the beef hofan, but I do the seafood hofan. Okay, and then syempre, hindi mawala yung taro oyster cake. Again, at saka tag-init pa po ngayon. Talagang halo-halo pa rin the best. So, ako yung mahilig pa rin na magkape. So, kape halo-halo. You can try that. Okay, so I will not take too much of your time. Ginugutom na po ako. Puro pagkain na po yung aking kinikwento. So, hopefully po makadalaw po kayo. Ewan ko makagawa po ako ng parang Ongpin tour eh, no? Sabay ganun eh, no? Ongpin tour, pero talking about Feng Shui. But I'm promoting ito here sa Chinatown Lailay Hotel, okay, kasi sometimes po diyan ako ginagawa rin yung mga seminars ko, workshop ko, and I'm planning also to create some workshop or teachings of Feng Shui, so baka doon ko rin po gaganapin. Ginagawa ko po every year doon is yung mooncake dice game. Yeah, so I do the mooncake dice game. Okay, Lucky Charm edition or Feng Shui edition. Okay, so thank you sa aking mga follower, especially mga members ko, si GYF members yan. So mga nagbe-member po sa akin kasi sa GYF, meron po kaming private talagang messenger. That's where we update each other. Tapos yun po, every year po talagang hanggat maaari, walang mintis yan. Meron kami tinatawag na gathering. Okay? Especially pagdating po ng mooncake dice game. Na kung saan, nag-enjoy na po sila through the seminar. Plus, meron pa po silang palaro. Okay? So, that's it po. Pero if you're interested, you can also join kasi I'm planning na i-open na po ang ating mooncake dice game for everyone, not only for my GWF members, but for everyone po. Okay? So, kapag interested po kayo, you can inquire on us sa Facebook and Instagram on how to join. Okay? On where to buy the ticket if ever po. Pero ipopost naman po natin siya. Alright? Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you ulit sa pagsubaybay po sa akin sa mga, maybe I think of half an hour, okay, 30 minutes. At siningit ko lang nga po makagawa ng ganitong video habang kami po yung nag-enjoy po here. Yan, okay. Sa aking munting room. Yan, okay. So yan po si Pororo. And if you want lang, para quick, masilip nyo lang po kung ano meron sa labas. Yan, sama ko lang kayo sa labas. Yan po yung hallway ng room po namin. Yan. So, this is a Pororo floor. Even the whole floor po is puro Pororo. Yan. And you know, J-Park, marami talaga. It's more for the Korean things. Okay? So, that's it, guys. I hope at mini pasyal. Marami pa po kayo may kita in a way. Hindi na po ako nakapaggawa ng quick tour. Kasi nga, mahirap nga po magbantay ng bata. Mas importante yung bantay, sarado po sila. Okay? So, thank you guys. Okay, see you again. Okay, thank you sa pagsubaybay po sa akin here. Okay, sa aking live. Okay, Regine, taping na po siya, hindi na po live. Okay, here, dito po sa ating Hello June 2025. Okay, and then if you have any other question, please message us in our Facebook or Instagram. And also, if you follow us in our Shopee also account, you can also find our Shopee account, Feng Shui Sunrise by Coach Johnson Chua. Although we have a very limited items doon kasi because of much more kilala kasi ako or kilala yung shop ko or kilala yung profession ko sa customization. So we do all the customization here dito po sa Facebook and Instagram po. Kasi sa Shopee po kasi we let other people handle it, no? So I don't do talaga inquiries on that part like kapag sa customization. So most likely sa Facebook and Instagram. Kaya may mga iba akong client doon lang in-order tapos nagtatry mag-Shopee out. Yes, you can do that. Pero yun lang po talaga sa akin is Facebook and Instagram po talaga ako nakafocus. Alright? So, thank you again. Okay, thank you again sa pagsubaybay nyo po. Okay, dito po sa aking mga videos. Okay, so, please, don't forget to like and share this video pag nagustuhan nyo po siya at tingin nyo po makakatulong po siya sa inyong mga friends and family. Okay? So please share this and also don't forget to click the bell button. Okay? Para at least po nanonotify po kayo tuwing meron po akong bagong video na pinoproduce. Alright? So thank you guys. This is Coach Johnson Chua saying goodbye. God bless everyone. And also follow me in my next video. See you everyone. Bye!